Hello students, welcome back to this channel. In this video, today we are going to see ICSE Geography Notes, Class 7, Chapter 3, Weather and Climate. This is the part 3 of this video series. Come on, let us move on to the questions. Question number 19. Name the 7 major pressure belts on Earth. Equatorial low pressure belt. It extends between 5 degree north and 5 degrees south latitudes. Then, subtropical high pressure belt. It is located in the northern hemisphere. It extends between 30 degree north and 35 degree north in the northern hemisphere. Then, subtropical high pressure belt. It is located in the southern hemisphere. It extends between 30 degrees south and 35 degrees south in the southern hemisphere. Then, subpolar low pressure belt. It is in the northern hemisphere. It extends between 60 degree north and 70 degree north in the northern hemisphere. Then, subpolar low pressure belt. In the southern hemisphere, it extends between 60 degrees south and 70 degrees south in the northern hemisphere. Then comes polar high pressure belt. It is located in the northern hemisphere. It lies around the North Pole. Again, polar high pressure belt. In the southern hemisphere, it lies around the South Pole. Then, next question, define wind. The horizontal movement of air is called wind. Next, define air current. The vertical movement of air is called air current. How does wind blow? Wind blows from a higher pressure region to a lower pressure region. Next question. Name the 3 major types of winds. Number 1, planetary winds. Number 2, periodic winds. Number 3, local winds. 24th one, write a short note on planetary winds. The winds that blow constantly in a particular direction throughout the year are called planetary winds. They are also called as prevailing winds or permanent winds. Next point, these winds form due to the presence of high pressure belts and low pressure belts on the Earth's surface. Next question. Name the 3 types of planetary winds. Trade winds, westerlies, polar winds. Next, write a short note on trade winds. The trade winds blow from the subtropical high pressure belts to the equatorial low pressure belt in both the hemispheres. They blow from northeast to southwest in the northern hemisphere. They blow from southeast to northwest in the southern hemisphere. They are called the northeast trade winds in the northern hemisphere, and they are called the southeast trade winds in the southern hemispheres. So, they have got 2 different names in northern hemisphere and in the southern hemisphere. So, next question, write a short note on westerlies. The westerlies blow from the subtropical high pressure belts to the subpolar low pressure belts in both the hemispheres. In the northern hemisphere, they blow from southwest to northeast. In the southern hemisphere, they blow from northwest to southeast. They are called southwesterlies in the northern hemisphere, and they are called northwesterlies in the southern hemisphere. Next question. Give the difference of the westerlies that blow in the southern hemisphere. Why are they called so? Actually, here there is a small printing mistake. The question goes like this. Give the different names of the westerlies that blow in the southern hemisphere. Why are they called so? The different names are roaring 40s, furious 50s, screeching 60s. Due to the absence of land masses in the southern hemisphere, especially between 40 degrees south and 60 degrees south latitudes, the westerlies blow at great speeds. So they are known as roaring 40s at 40 degrees south, furious 50s at 50 degrees south, and screeching 60s at 60 degrees south latitudes respectively. Next question. How do polar winds blow? Polar winds blow from the polar high pressure belts to the subpolar low pressure belts in both the hemispheres. With this video has come to an end. With another set of questions, let us meet in the next video.
Like, share and comment and subscribe our channel and click the bell button for more videos. Thank you.